8. So here's a wild one. Matt asks, what if the moon got swapped out with a black hole that weighed the exact same? And yo, what would an eclipse even look like? Let's break it down. So check this. A black hole with the mass of the moon? That thing would be tiny. Like, literally the size of a grain of sand. Dead serious. Fine sand. The kind you could slip through a sieve. Only problem? That sieve would be gone instantly cause, yeah, black hole. But here's the trippy part. Earth wouldn't really notice in terms of motion. The tides, the orbit, the pull, all stays the same. Gravity don't care if it's spread out like the moon we know or squished down into a cosmic speck. Same mass, same pull. Matter of fact, if the sun was swapped with a black hole of equal mass, Earth would keep orbiting just fine. Though, good luck with life on the surface. Now, no moonlight? That's a different story. Nights go straight dark. A bunch of nocturnal animals would get messed up since they rely on that glow. But honestly, compared to what humans already did to nature, kinda minor damage. Low-key, our black hole moon would be chill, low profile. And nah, it wouldn't just evaporate. Black holes that massive actually absorb more energy from the cosmic background than they spit out with Hawking radiation. So yeah, it'd stay pitch black, unless it ate something. 'Cause if it did, boom, insane radiation blast. Black hole accretion disks are like the ultimate energy engines. Luckily, space is empty enough that it wouldn't be out here glowing every night. Instead, it'd just mess with space dust nearby, one sand grain shoving around other sand grains. Pretty boring. Except for Earth getting darker and colder without moonlight. See, moonlight actually warms us up a little. Crazy, right? There's a 28-day cycle where Earth is hottest at full moon, but most of that's just because Earth's a tiny bit closer to the sun at that point, which would still happen even with a black hole moon. The visible moonlight itself barely does anything. The real player here is infrared heat coming off the moon's surface. That warms Earth about 1.2 milledegrees Fahrenheit. Sounds small, but it's 10 times more than the visible light effect. Still, CO2 we pump into the sky cancels that out in like 2 weeks. So yeah, tiny chill, nothing major. So bottom line, a black hole moon would take away moonlight, mess with animals a bit, make Earth just slightly colder, but nothing catastrophic. Unless, of course, this happened back in 1969 when Neil Armstrong landed. 'Cause then the quote might have been, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap into a black hole." So what do you think? Would you want to look up at night and see nothing but pitch black where the moon used to be?